Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're drawing battle droids from Clone Wars. So let's get started. So first we're gonna actually draw the face. We're gonna draw a little upside down smile kind of. Now we're gonna come in and make a curved line right there. Now, I'm gonna add a little curve there and add a line right there. Now we're gonna add the kind of like cheek kind of thing, but they're robots, so like they don't really have a cheek. But, so we're gonna draw the detail on their heads. It kind of looks like a hat, but it's like pointed down. So draw like that, and then go like here, and keep on making like these shapes like that. And then the last one, you kind of add like a little triangle, just like that. Now we're gonna draw the mouth, just like that. And then now we're gonna draw the eyes. So for the eyes, we're gonna draw like semicircles, like one and one at the bottom, and then here. Now we're gonna color in the eyes. These are the kind of like tan robots, and then they like try to shoot like Anakin and patrol the this semicircle. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the neck. So first we're gonna just add little shape like that, and then we're gonna add a long neck, just a line, and then another one like that. Then we're gonna draw a curve, another one, and connect it with the smiley face. Now we're gonna extend it and make the kind of shape that we did in the hat-like structure. Just like that. Now in the inside, you can maybe like draw a line like that or something. Now we're gonna draw like the vest kind of. Well, we're basically just drawing the body here. And then the other one comes in straight down. Now we're gonna curve and curve. Now for the arms, add a line there, connect it, then add a circle. Do the same thing on the other side, like that. Now we're gonna draw the shoulders. So we're gonna add just one here. Now we're gonna add a line, and then another one. Then add a circle. You can add the little crescent shape and like a little dot. And then here, do the same thing. Not exactly, but like, because it's in a different like position. Okay. Circle, crescent, dot. Now on the bottom here, you can add a line, then add just like that. We're gonna add a square. Then we're gonna add the arms. on both sides. Like that. Okay. Now we're gonna draw like the weapon here. And I'm gonna just finish it in like that and then shade it in black. Just quickly scribble it in. Okay, almost done. Okay, so now we're gonna add at the very bottom kind of shape like that, and then we're gonna add some kind of a tube things or something. I don't know what it's called, but like, you know, a special feature. And then just add some little shades. And I think that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll see you all next time. Bye.